so I just got a parcel. Sorry, my kids are in the background. From Pisces Crystal Co. They often have a lot of sales, and I will provide their Instagram and TikTok down below, and their website, obviously. I just wanted to, they had I think 50% off sale, so I grabbed a few items. I think most of them are for wire wrapping, and some of them are just so cute. So this looks like a Amazonite sphere. It's a mini sphere.
Can I touch?
No, you can't touch it. This is an acorn. I'm not sure what that
Can I hold this?
stone is. No, excuse me. You're gonna fall. Can you get off, please?
Can I hold a marshmallow?
It's not a marshmallow. It's an acorn.
I want that one.
Which one?
What?
No, I'm not giving you any.
No.
And I have two other cute little mushrooms. One's an amethyst mushroom. So many distractions. Anyway, so I also got I think a black obsidian mushy. Either that or tourmaline. You know what? Maybe it's a tourmaline because it does look different. So maybe it's a black tourmaline mushroom. All right.
Can I help?
What else do we have?
Can I help, Mama?
No, thank you. Can I just do this?
No.
And I'll show you what I got, okay? I'll show you in a little bit. Let me just... Excuse me, Capri. Can you stop? Okay. And here's a bigger sphere. It's a selenite or satin spar.
I have one of those in my school.
Okay. These are actually called satin
I
spar.
have one of those in my school.
Apparently he does. These are called satin spar, and a lot of people market them as selenite, but these are not actually selenite. Excuse me, very distracting. All right, what else do we have? I did get a lot of stuff.
A lot of stuff. A lot of stuff.
Okay. Then I have, what's in, oh my goodness, look, Casper. This clear quartz turtle or tortoise. I think it's a tortoise. I'm not sure, but that is adorable. Oh goodness, that is so cute. I have an obsession with tortoises and turtles. I have turtles all around the house. I have a turtle tattoo on my foot. Like, I'm so obsessed with turtles. So I think they are so cute. Excuse me, can I just please?
I'm just giving you.
And another sphere. This looks like an amethyst sphere.
Here you go, Mama.
Is this an amethyst sphere, or hang on, maybe a labradorite? I'm not sure. But that's that one. And then I have
a pisco. A pisco, is it?
That's all right. Let her play with those. My daughter just got into the container drawer. So hard to do anything with these guys, which is why I haven't done YouTube in a long time. Ooh, this looks like a tiger's eye. No, don't give her that. Don't give her that. This is a tiger's eye sphere. It's a bit too big to wrap, so I might just keep that for myself. That is very pretty. And then I think this might be the last few things that I bought. Here's a, what is this? Smoky quartz moon? Maybe a citrine moon. I'm not sure. It's a very cool color. And a sodalite moon. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. I love the shape.
Mama, can I open this?
No.
Please?
No.
Please.
And here's another one. That looks like another sodalite. It just looks a bit grayish. Excuse me.
Can you open this?
I can't open that.
Please?
It's locked.
No, please.
And then I have
Yes.
two more. Lastly, I have these gorgeous tiger's eye crescent moons. Oh my gosh, they are so pretty. Look at the flash. That's so beautiful. This one's flashier than this one. They would be so gorgeous to wrap. So that's that. That's everything I got. And then I think she has given me, oh no, I think I got this one actually. Totally forgot. That's a chakra bracelet, I think I was. And it fits me. Usually these bracelets are pretty huge and I had to adjust it myself, but that one fits pretty well. So it has carnelian, clear quartz. No, I think that's red agate. Red agate, clear quartz, carnelian, sodalite, green aventurine, amethyst, and citrine. That's everything I got from Pisces Crystal Co. That's their card. You can check out all the links down below if you want to shop from them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will try to do little videos here and there like this because I really do enjoy doing YouTube. I just don't have a lot of time anymore. So yeah, bye bye.